Gentle water movement cleans blueberries without disturbing natural bloom.
And controlled processing. Before harvesting begins, equipment is prepared to protect blueberries from damage. Harvesting blueberries by hand preserves their delicate skin and natural freshness.
Freshly picked blueberries are gently collected, preventing pressure and preserving natural quality.
Across the field, harvesting continues in rhythm, ensuring consistency from plant to tray.
Initial sorting begins immediately, removing imperfect blueberries before transport.
Leaves and stems are carefully separated to keep blueberries clean. Leaves and stems are carefully separated to keep blueberries clean.
Prepared trays are stacked for efficient movement from field to facility. It's with a clean, secure seal. Landscapes. Precision docking prepares for final delivery.
Systems confirm blueberry delivery completion.
Blueberries move across vast landscapes.
Shipments merge into long-haul transport routes.
Steady travel maintains blueberry quality. Blueberries are ready for unloading. Carefully timed transport preserves blueberry freshness. Transport begins as blueberries leave the farm for immediate processing. The processing facility stands ready to receive fresh blueberries.
Trucks depart the facility.
Blueberry precise docking ensures efficient transfer from transport to processing. Teams prepare to unload blueberries without disrupting temperature control.
Blueberries transition seamlessly from transport into processing.
Controlled conditions. Blueberries are readied for transport under controlled conditions. Stacked trays are transferred carefully, maintaining stability from field to transport. Blueberries are gently released from trays to begin controlled cleaning. Smooth conveyor movement prevents pressure damage to blueberries. Blueberries enter washing channels to remove field residue. Bloom.
A final rinse ensures surface purity before drying. High-velocity air prepares blueberries for inspection. Excess moisture is removed through controlled dewatering. Air knives remove surface water while preserving bloom. Dry blueberries move forward clean and intact. Dry blueberries advance toward automated sorting.
Advanced cameras begin scanning every blueberry.
Color analysis identifies ripeness and defects instantly. Soft or damaged blueberries are detected in milliseconds.
Rejected blueberries are diverted automatically.
Perfect blueberries continue toward grading. Blueberry batch is measured precisely. Digital systems classify blueberries instantly. Graded blueberries separate into quality lanes. Premium blueberries move toward retail packaging. Standard blueberries follow a parallel path. Graded flows merge smoothly for final checks. Soft belts protect blueberries from bruising.
Final human inspection confirms quality.
Clean containers are prepared for filling.
Blueberries are now ready for packaging.
Approved blueberries enter automated filling systems. Containers align precisely beneath the filling heads. Measured portions of blueberries drop gently into containers. Sensors verify consistent blueberry fill levels. Lids feed smoothly toward filled blueberry containers.
Incorrect fills are automatically corrected.
Containers are sealed to protect blueberry freshness.
Every seal is inspected for integrity.
Containers are cleaned before labeling. Air drying prepares containers for labeling.
Containers enter automated labeling systems.
Labels apply smoothly with precise alignment. Vision systems confirm correct labeling. Production codes are added for traceability. Labels settle securely before packing. Finished containers move toward case packing. Shipping cases are formed automatically. Cases align beneath packing heads. Robots lift blueberry containers with precision. Containers placed gently into shipping cases. Sensors confirm correct container count.
Cases close securely for transport. Sealing protects blueberries during shipping. Sealing protects blueberries during shipping. Pressure ensures strong case seals. Each case is scanned into inventory. Cases accumulate briefly before palletizing. Cases move toward palletizing systems.
Blueberry pallets enter automated wrapping for transport stability.
Stretch film begins rotating around blueberry pallets. Multiple layers secure blueberry cases firmly. Wrapping completes with a clean, secure seal. Barcode scanning logs blueberry pallets into inventory. Tracking labels identify each blueberry shipment. Automated systems guide blueberry pallets precisely. Blueberry pallets rise toward assigned storage levels. Each blueberry pallet fits into a designated slot. Storage systems confirm blueberry pallet location. Storage systems confirm blueberry pallet location. Warehouse conditions preserve blueberry freshness. Automated cranes receive retrieval instructions. Automated cranes receive retrieval instructions. Blueberry pallets move from storage to outbound flow.
Outbound conveyors carry blueberry pallets forward.
Outbound conveyors carry blueberry pallets forward. Blueberry pallets approach the loading dock.
Blueberry pallets enter temperature-controlled trailers. Transport trucks align for blueberry loading. Forklifts move blueberry pallets efficiently. Pallets are positioned precisely inside trailers. Cargo restraints secure blueberry pallets. Truck doors close to protect blueberries. Dock systems release the blueberry shipment.
Blueberry trucks depart the facility.
Blueberry trucks depart the facility.
Blueberry shipments merge into long-haul transport routes. Steady travel maintains blueberry quality. Blueberries move across vast landscapes. Precision docking prepares for final delivery.
systems confirm blueberry delivery completion.
Blueberries move across vast landscapes.
Blueberries are ready for unloading.
The blueberry process reaches its final stage.
Blueberry pallets stand ready for distribution.
From field to market, blueberries complete their journey.